Hi everyone, Billy here from Tradewinds Travel. I'm excited to take you on a culinary journey to Cellier in Canada at Epcot, a cherished gem in the Walt Disney World dining experience. Our absolute favorite dish on the menu is the Canadian Cheddar Cheese Soup, a perfect appetizer setting the stage for the main course. You know, after a day of exploring Epcot, Cellier becomes a haven to relax, rejuvenate, and savor a delightful meal. So today I'll be sharing the secrets of recreating this dish in the comfort of your own kitchen. So stay tuned for a taste of Disney magic at home. Located in Epcot at Walt Disney World, Le Cellier is a signature restaurant in the Canada Pavilion. Nestled within the rustic ambiance of a Canadian chateau, this signature steakhouse offers guests a culinary journey through the flavors of Canada. The restaurant is known for its cozy and intimate atmosphere with stone archways, rich wood furnishings, and dim lighting creating a warm and inviting space. Le Cellier is celebrated for its prime steak selections, including the popular filet mignon and the flavorful bone-in ribeye. The menu also features Canadian-inspired dishes such as the famous cheddar cheese soup, a delectable blend of Canadian cheddar cheese, moosehead beer, and bacon, which has become a beloved signature item. Beyond its culinary offerings, Le Cellier has gained a reputation for its impressive wine selection. Guests can indulge in a curated list of reds, whites, and ice wines that enhance the overall dining experience. Before we get started, kindly give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated on more mouth-watering dishes. To make this delectable soup, you will need a half a pound of bacon cut into half-inch pieces, a medium red onion diced, 3 celery ribs diced, 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 3 cups of chicken stock, 4 cups of milk, 1 pound of white cheddar cheese. I use sharp, grated. Don't use the prepackaged, already grated stuff. The fresh is better. 1 tablespoon of Tabasco sauce, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, salt and pepper to taste, and a half a cup of warm Canadian lager, or any kind of lager you can find if you can't find Canadian. First thing we do is add the bacon to a 4 or 5 quart Dutch oven. What we're wanting to do here is just render the fat from the bacon. You don't really want to brown it. This will take about 5 minutes or so. After the bacon is rendered, add the onion, the celery, and the butter, and saute until the onion and the celery has softened a bit. This will take about 5 minutes. Next, add the flour and cook about 4 minutes, stirring constantly. You're trying to just get the raw flour taste out. Slowly whisk in the chicken stock and bring it to a boil for about a minute, then reduce to simmer and cook for about 15 minutes, stirring occasionally just to keep it from sticking on the bottom. Add the milk and continue to simmer for about 15 minutes. Make sure you don't boil this once the milk has been added or it will curdle. Next, turn off the heat, add the cheese, then the Tabasco sauce and the Worcestershire sauce. Now's a good time to check salt and pepper to see if it needs anything. stir in the beer, it's best if you warm it up just a little bit. Once you've done all of that, if the soup is too thick, you can add some milk to it. All right, everything is done now, so we can do the taste test. But before we do that, if you want to, at this point, you can use an immersion blender if you want to get rid of the chunks of the onion and the celery and the bacon. But I like it kind of chunky, so I'm just going to leave it this way. Mess. Top it off with some chives. A few little pieces of bacon on top would be good too. All right, let's see what we have here. Wow, I'm at Epcot, folks. This is great. This tastes just like it. So, if you've been to Le Cellier and you've had the soup, you need to try this recipe so you can have this at home all the time. So until you can get back to Epcot, you need to do this. So thanks for watching today. I hope you'll make this soup, and until next time, keep traveling.